Peace. Infinite Waters diving deep once again. We are out here. We're in nature. We're in Venice Beach, baby.
We're here.
We're here with
We're
the
here.
wonderful Ariana.
Hello.
Breathing in that good ass prana, baby. Can I get a hello there? It's such a beautiful day today. We've been talking about how to deal with people who don't get you. These kinds of people who think they know you, but they really don't. How do you deal with it?
I don't pay too much attention to it. I don't worry about it. I brush it off because in the end, you are the only person who sees life through your eyes. We all are part of this collective whole together, yet we all have individualized perspectives of this existence. Embrace who you are, embrace how you see this world, embrace your special qualities, your unique perspective. It's what makes you who you are. It's what makes us who we are collectively.
Right.
It's wonderful.
A lot of people think they know us. They only know probably like 0.0000000, a little bit about us.
They know what we choose to show them.
That's true. They know what we choose to show them. So I say what helps me really is realize that when people think they know you, they're just talking about their experience, not yours. So remind yourself, you're going to meet a lot of people like that, right? Probably every other Sunday.
Be prepared.
Be prepared, because it's never going to go away. You just got to know how to deal with it. Can I get a hello there?
Just breathe. Don't worry about it. Doesn't matter. How they see life is not how you see life, and it's all good.
It's all good.
It's all good.
Ariana's wonderful.
Ralph is
You're wonderful. We're wonderful, right?
Wonderful.
We're wonderful. Oh my goodness gracious.
Life is wonderful.
Life is wonderful. We're out here in Venice Beach, baby. Breathing in that beautiful prana. Have a beautiful day. Infinite Waters. Diving deep once again. Stay well.
Stay healthy.
Peace.